Hi and welcome to this fourth Garden Railway restoration video. In this video we'll be finally getting the track down and getting some trains rolling. No, I am not saying anything. I am just not saying anything. Nope, I'm not doing it. Hello, where did that go? Yeah, indeed, where did that go? Okay, let's go and see the progress we've made so far. Come on. So I've managed to do a little bit of work around this water feature. I've took all the stones up and rearranged them again down here. Added some different coloured stones at the top here. Tidied it up a bit. To be honest, it needed a lot of tidying, it wasn't too bad. And so this is where we are, ready to put the track down. Okay, so I'm in my garage now. Got my little platform here. As you can see, I've already made a start on cleaning the track. As I said in the previous video, I've got 125 feet of track to clean, so let's get on with it. Okay, this piece of equipment, this will actually polish up the track. You can clearly see there the difference once you've actually cleaned it. Okay, that's fine. Going to be here a long while. I think we might skip this bit. See ya. Okay, I've done all the straight pieces, the foot long straight pieces, so I'm going to start on the curved sections now. I'm getting there. Okay, so I've finished all the curved sections. I'm going to start on the points now. Be really careful whilst cleaning these. I've got 3 points. They definitely need a lot of maintenance. The springs seem to be getting stuck on a lot of them. I've actually realised the spring's completely missing off one of them. They used to be electric, but the bit blew up unfortunately, so they're back to manual. I'll see if I can get the springs to get going again. Okay, I've just noticed that the street lamps have just come on, so I think it might be time to do this tomorrow. I'll continue then. See you later. Good morning, we're back. It's a little more brighter now. Just going to continue now with cleaning these points. Yeah, we're going to be a while again. I'll catch you later. Okay, so all the points are done. Now I'm on these last pieces, which is the 4 foot pieces. 8 of these to do, and then I'm all done. I had noticed this is actually the power supply cable to the track. It is very damaged. I'm pretty sure that I do actually have another one somewhere, so I will remove this. Again, this is going to take a long while. I'll see you when I finish them. Whew, finally, that's just took 2 days. That's not too bad. Okay, so next piece, get them back together again. Make sure we're going to clean all the fish plates. Make sure they're all nice and tight. And then go from there. Okay, so we're back on the layout. Just put that connector in. Track nice and taut together. And there you are. Okay, so it's the next day. Done a little bit more progress. It's down to here now. So I'm going to add in a point just here. Okay, let's get the clip in. That's it, good. So I've done a bit of work off camera, as you can see. I've completed the section with the points on it. and I've started to go towards the back, and that's what I'm going to continue to do now. Bring it down to the back near the pond. Okay. Okay, so we can go, everything's around the back. Just going to bring it round now to this front part here. Perfect. And lastly, the buffer. Buffer in now, because with my track record from my last 00 track record that wasn't made to be a pun from my 00 clean aim video, yeah, buffers and me don't mix. Track record. Okay, so we're down to the final piece, connect the whole layout back together. Done. Yes! Yes! Okay, so a completed circuit. So after a year of gardening, picking up the track, cleaning it, relaying it, re-gardening, we've finally got the layout done and the trains are running. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Movement! At last. Yes! And then of course the true British weather, it starts to rain. Okay, well thanks for watching these videos. It's been a pleasure to make them. I really do hope you enjoyed them. Till then, thanks a lot, take care, I'll see you then.